In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and use the screen functions on your Signardi 1/3 HP chiller step by step. First, power on the chiller. The display will show the current water temperature. The control panel has 3 buttons. Power button turns the unit on and off and also functions as the confirm button. Up button used to increase values or navigate upward. Down button used to decrease values or navigate downward. To adjust the target temperature, simply press the up or down button until you reach your desired setting. If a lock icon appears on the display, press and hold the power and down buttons together to unlock the controls. To enter the settings program mode, press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Ethylene E temperature differential setting. Set this value to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, then press the power button to confirm. FO2 temperature calibration. Press the down button to navigate to FO2. The default value is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the power button to confirm the setting. To restore the chiller to its factory settings, press and hold the power and up buttons together until the reset is complete.